Stretch marks happen when your skin changes shape rapidly due to growth or weight gain. They aren't a sign that anything is wrong with your health. Both men and women can get stretch marks. Pregnancy and puberty are the two most common times in life to get stretch marks. There are some remedies that can help minimize appearance of stretch marks and help them to fade more quickly. Vitamin A. Vitamin A makes skin appear more smooth and youthful. They are used in many over-the-counter tropical cosmetic creams. Simply using a tropical extract of vitamin A, or taking vitamin A orally, can contribute to your skin's health and overall appearance. A diet rich in certain foods, such as carrots and sweet potatoes, might also help you increase your vitamin A levels. Sugar. Rubbing a sugar scrub on the skin will exfoliate the area. Mix 1 cup sugar with 1/4 cup of a softening agent, like almond oil or coconut oil, before mixing to the consistency of wet beach sand. Add some lemon juice. Scrub the mixture on the part of your body where the stretch marks are. Repeat several times a week while in the shower, making sure to rub the mixture on for 8–10 minutes. Aloe vera. Pure aloe vera is both a natural healing agent and a skin softener. This makes it an ideal home remedy to try for stretch marks. Apply pure aloe vera from a plant to your stretch marks daily after your shower. Coconut oil. Coconut oil might help heal the appearance quickly. Coconut oil has been studied for its healing properties and found to reduce the time it takes for skin wounds to heal. Applying virgin coconut oil to your stretch marks each day might take away some of their red appearance. Egg whites. Whip the whites of 2 eggs gently with a fork. Clean the affected skin area with water and then apply a thick layer of egg whites with a makeup brush. Allow the egg whites to dry completely and then rinse the area with cold water. Finally apply some olive oil on the skin to keep it moisturized. Repeat the process daily for at least 2 weeks and watch for positive results. Lemon juice. Rub fresh lemon juice gently onto the stretch marks using circular motions. Allow the lemon juice to soak into your skin for at least 10 minutes before rinsing it off with warm water. Another option is to mix equal quantities of cucumber juice and lemon juice and apply the mixture on the stretch marks. Potato juice. Cut a medium-sized potato into thick slices. Take one of the potato pieces and rub it gently on the stretch marks for a few minutes. Make sure the starch from the potato covers the affected area. Allow the potato juice to dry for some time and then wash it off with lukewarm water.